Alright you guys, today we are trying out this place called Chester's, and I guess they're also rallies. My first time here, and we're in North Las Vegas again, just down the street from Church's Fried Chicken. Hey, so I ordered this big chicken combo, total price of $7.01. Chicken, fries, and a Coke. It's not too hot in Vegas, hallelujah for that. And so I'm on a bike ride again, and I've gone about 22 kilometers, or 24 kilometers. And so anyway, enough of that. Good old cola. So these fries look pretty good. Take a bite. Nice and crunchy. I like. I'm gonna add a little pepper to the fries. Ketchup. This is the big chicken sandwich. Standard buns, sesame seed, bun, lettuce, and I guess some sort of fried chicken patty. All right, let's take a bite. It's not bad, yeah. It's not overly exciting, not spicy. It's pretty down the middle as far as chicken sandwiches go, but it's not bad, okay? So, that's good. I'm digging these fries though. And the fries are a little bit over salted, which does happen a lot of these fast food places, so, you know, that's why I know sometimes folks will order French fries. I want a fresh one, a fresh batch, because I don't want any salt. I understand that. I believe this is my first time at a Checkers anywhere, and it's okay. I'm not sure how big they are nationwide compared to McDonald's or Burger King. I think there's only mayonnaise on here. I don't taste any type of secret sauce or Checkers blend of something. I don't taste it. Overall, it's not bad. $7. $5 would have been nicer, okay? But $7. Okay, so chicken sandwich is okay. You know, it's just not bad, okay? It ain't great, but it's not bad. I enjoyed the fries. They were longer and crunchy on the outside. A little too salty, but that happens at a lot of fast food shops. The cola, nice and fizzy. That's good. So, you know, Checkers big chicken sandwich meal. Yeah, it's okay. Like I always say, if you see anybody try it, hope you like it. Take care wherever you are and have a great day. I'm going to get back on that bicycle and head on home. I got about 15 or 20 kilometers to go because the route I use is longer one way and shorter the other way. And so I'm taking the shorter route home. And I will see you guys again real soon. So at Umami Burger here in Las Vegas, first time, French fry. I ordered the Umami Burger, yeah? But I think this is a Parmesan frito, which I didn't want, yeah? So that's off to the side, but it's a nice burger. I ordered the just the plain ordinary Umami Burger. Nothing fancy. I ordered my burger well done, all right? And I wonder, check it out. Ooh, for umami. You know, umami is a Japanese word which means something about flavor. Because whatever flavors there are, umami is kind of one in between. I got a pickle, delicious, a mustard, my fries. Let's have a bite of our first ever Umami Burger. It's okay, all right? The burger's okay, yeah? It's not great for me, my taste. I guess I'm not really a burger connoisseur, yeah. I still prefer burgers with your standard lettuce, maybe a little mayonnaise, a little mustard, ketchup, whatever. Those simple old style guys. Maybe my eating has been corrupted by cheap roadside food or something, yeah? I don't know. All right, you guys, like I always say, if you see it, buy it, try it. I hope you like it. Take care wherever you are. Have a good day. I'm going to finish my burger and get out of here. Cheers, Ann. Good night.